Welcome to my latest vlog. I haven't made any videos lately. Sorry about that. Anyways, today we'll be painting seashells for summer. Look at these. These are like white ceramic seashells. You can actually make them at home by yourself, but I order it because I don't like waiting one by one to like unmold and all that. But I'll send you the link how to make them and how to do stuff, where to buy them and all that. You can search them by typing white ceramic mold for painting or white ceramic painting kind of thing, and then they will pop up somehow. So let's get started. We're gonna paint with acrylic, because if the water go on top, acrylic, if it's painted with acrylic, is waterproof, and we want to use them in the bathroom for decoration, like put jewelry, or we can use them for putting some cookies, and we can wash them afterwards. Like we can take them when we go on a picnic. It's very lightweight as well, so we can use them very in a creative way, like very decorative, or up to you. Hi guys, so we're gonna paint now, and I have all this art supplies laid out, and it's a bit messy, but arts get messy, so, and I need to be in a creative mood, so I bring some stickers and colors to make it, sparks your ideas. So this is my art table. We got some seashell clips for ideas and colors, acrylic tubes everywhere, and this is stickers for inspiration. So let's get this started. So the first one, we're painting some pink sky theme with some tulips, or like a blue sky theme with some tulips. I'm not so sure. Maybe like blue mountains, pink sky, and pink tulips with some green grass or something like that. And my voice is a little bit cracking because it's a bit late right now, and the aircon is making me a bit cold, but I prefer cold, so it is what it is. We'll start with always washing the brush. I just have a cup there, and I hope I won't get thirsty and drink by mistake. And we're gonna use this peachy color. Don't know if you can see, but it's a bit peachy color. I call it peach color, but I'm not sure what other people call it. And we're gonna just coat this side for the sky. This is gonna be like standing like this, so I'm gonna do that. Just, should I be showing you guys? It's easy, just go with the flow where your feelings are when you're painting, and just like imagine yourself as a professional so that you won't be doing silly things, and use your common sense where things goes. Yeah, I don't know if I bring gold paint, but I wanted to outline the whole thing in gold, so it's like more a sea treasure, like a treasure, like a mermaid painted, and she kept in her treasure deep under the sea, where her father won't see that paint is from humans, that kind of vibe. So I add some water, and it makes it a little softer, but I want to use thick because just to keep the texture of the paint and make sure it's coated so that it's waterproof, because acrylic is waterproof. You don't need to lay on top another type of paint or chemical. But at the night market fair in here, they have like they have this uncle who, when I went to paint with in this area where they have these ceramic white molds for painting at the night market, there's an uncle who would spray this, I think it was varnish, on top once you're painting dry on the products, so it makes it glossy, shiny, and it's more like sturdy, like as in it's long lasting. So I don't have a varnish spray, but I do have a varnish paint at home, at a different home, not here. So yeah, So I will put some mountains and stuff and then show you guys how it turns out. So I just wanted to show you guys a little technique. I paint lemon yellow down here and added some cerulean blue a little bit here, and then start painting all over. So it's like green. It makes green, obviously yellow and blue makes green. So instead of using a green directly, I try to mix it and create the green color, so it's more magical and special. So it's like this. So as you can see, it's a bit like avocado green, but it will be the grass area for the tulips to grow. So the first one is done, and it's like this. It's supposed to be little tulips, but it's very small. So for the second one, I painted the blue, light blue, and I'm gonna make some clouds and make it more colorful. Second one is a bit hard because you have to make this texture, and the cats keep making noise. Oh my god, I don't know why. Make the cloud texture. Making noise. It's like one of the crazy skies with lots of colors, like a fantasy, and it's just pink on the final touch. So it's pink. So the last part is the pink, and I'm getting a little tired because the cats are making noise and I can't focus much. So once I added the hot pink color, it's starting to show the colorfulness and all the playful colors together with the blue and the yellow and purple. So you just tap around and starting to show like a galaxy-ish. So far so good. I painted 2 of these, and first one is like this, and second one is like this. The stars are not dry yet, so it's like little white stuff going on. So it's very lightweight, like this, 2 seashells. And we can even paint the back, but I won't, and maybe later. And so we have the final piece for tonight, which is like this. It will be dark blue and some other things I haven't decided just yet. Final painting, it will be a blue sky and a little bit yellow here, and it's a river and some trees. So we're gonna use Patala blue and mix with this pastel light blue to make the sky, and I want to make the shape so that we won't pass through too much. So we're gonna paint everything here. So far so good. I feel so tired and it's been a long day, and we managed to do this little piece here with the sun and the sky, and I'll add the trees later and show you guys. So yep, today it was this painting with me on ceramic seashells. Ceramic, but it's not actually ceramic, it's like cement. White cement molds and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna rest, and thank you for watching the video. Bye guys.